Hey guys, this is NM Customs here, just showing you my custom setup. I got a custom built stand with a Fanatec GT2 wheel with the standard pedals and the CSR shifter with my mod. I used the sync wheel as an e-brake, as you can see there. It's not wired yet, but I got it ready to go. Just a standard cup holder. And I got the pedals with the inversion kit, as you can see here. Seat, standard seat from a junkyard, nothing too special. I'll be upgrading soon to a race seat. Got my PC set up. Works well. I'll be uploading a video on my shifter soon to how to mod it, so stay tuned. If you guys have any comments, please let me know. And thanks for watching.